Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. I'm Sandeep and you're watching RevAtlas. And earlier today, Vivo India just put out a tweet saying that the upcoming V20 smartphone will feature a 44 megapixel eye autofocus selfie camera. So what is eye autofocus and how is it actually beneficial compared to some of the other cameras out there? That's what we'll be discussing in this video. And before we get this started, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications for more videos like this. Now let's begin the video. Broadly speaking, there are two different categories in terms of focusing, the first being fixed focus cameras and the second being autofocus cameras. Now, most of the smartphones that are being released even today have fixed focus cameras at the front, and with the rise in social media applications as well as the increasing popularity of storytelling mediums such as YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, there is much needed emphasis for autofocus cameras, and let me explain why. So, fixed focus cameras generally require you to maintain a certain distance in order to get the subject in focus as well as have an overall sharp image quality. However, the issue with this is that it does not allow you to freely express yourself, and that's where eye autofocus mechanism comes in. With this, what you can do is you can freely express yourself and focus on creating content to your own liking without having to worry about the subject being in focus or without having to worry about the sharpness, considering that it knows to detect your eyes regardless of where it is on the frame. Therefore, eye autofocus gives you much better and much consistent results compared to a fixed focus camera, for example, and this is also the reason why you see many professional photographers actually focusing onto the eyes instead of any other part of the face. A regular autofocus system, for example, won't be able to focus on your eyes, and as a result the image may not look as good as, say, an eye autofocus camera. IAF or eye autofocus is one feature that parents especially will find handy, considering that kids generally do not like to stand still, but in this particular case the phone will do all the focusing for you and will actually make sure that your subject is bang sharp and in focus. Now, it's also worth mentioning that eye autofocus is not restricted to just images, but it applies to videos as well, and that makes capturing photos and videos very easy. The reason I'm emphasizing on IAF so much is very simple. Imagine you have captured a video. After capturing it to an extent, you can adjust the exposure, you can adjust the duration, you can adjust the speed, the color, etc. But what you can't do is actually adjust the focus after the fact. So what that means is if you have actually captured the focus incorrectly in a video, that moment is actually gone forever. This is the reason why I say that eye autofocus is a must-have in a premium high-end Android smartphone in 2020. Generally, you see eye autofocus on DSLRs, mirrorless cameras and similar high-end camera equipment, but now we're getting it on a smartphone with the Vivo V20, which is apparently coming in a slim and sleek package as well. We already saw bleeding-edge technological advancements such as gimbal OIS, their dual selfie pop-up camera and more from Vivo, so we're sure they will deliver on this front as well. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below, and also stay tuned to our camera review of the Vivo V20 once we get our hands on it. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button.